Being a business person, you may need emergency capital at any time, be it to add more items into your inventory or to fulfill that bulk order. At times like this, a bank loan and its elongated processing time may not be the right choice. Merchant cash advance is one method that you can rely on. Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. In this video, I will answer 5 fundamental questions on Merchant Cash Advance facility. First one, what is Merchant Cash Advance (MCA)? A Merchant Cash Advance refers to cash advance received from a lending institution based on credit and debit card sales deposited in the merchant's account. When a merchant applies for this loan, he or she gets the lump sum deposited in their account to be used for fulfilling business commitments. The merchant will then repay the loan through the transactions done on their point-of-sale machine. Such cash advance is disbursed in 2 to 3 days at the latest. Lenders look at the POS transaction history to evaluate the risk of lending money. Once the funds are acquired, all the card transactions will be redirected to the lender's bank account for repayment. 2. What are the eligibility criteria? Though the eligibility criteria may vary across lenders, the standard criteria are a good credit score, a solid track record of the business over the past, the annual turnover of the business well within the range recognized by the lending institution. Provide proof for the said turnover with valid documents such as a copy of ITR filed. It is essential to have a POS machine at the store. You may have to provide a copy of the POS bank statement to prove the eligibility. 3. What are the features and benefits of this method? Easy application. Many financial institutions provide online application facility. The online application facility makes it simpler for applicants to research and compare the different available options and then apply with minimal efforts. Collateral-free loans. The merchant cash advance method does not require you to provide any assets as collateral. However, the card swipes and transactions will be considered as collateral in this case. Quick approval. Unlike bank loans and other government schemes, this method comes with a quicker approval process. On an average, it may take 2 to 3 days for approval. Simple eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria to avail merchant cash advance are simple and straightforward. Flexible repayment. You don't have to get pressurized regarding repayments as deductions are made on a daily basis from your POS machine transactions. There are no fixed intervals to make repayment and no fixed amount to be paid per installment. 4. What are the repayment methods available? There are 3 possible repayment structures. 1. Split withholding method. The sale amount swiped on a POS machine will be divided into 2 parts, where one part will be credited to the lender's bank account towards repayment and the other part will be credited to the merchant's account. The process is automated and hassle-free, making it the most preferred repayment method for many borrowers. 2. Trust bank withholding method. In this method, the entire amount swiped on your POS machine will be transferred to the lender's account. The lender retains the amount pre-agreed for repayment and transfers the excess amount to the borrower's account. 3. ACH withholding method. Similar to the previous method, the amount swiped on the POS machine will be fully sent to the lender's account. Once the pre-agreed repayment amount is credited to the lender's account, the amount received from the further transactions will be automatically redirected to the borrower's account. 5. Who should opt for this facility? Merchants who have urgent requirement to catch up with their financial commitments can choose Merchant Cash Advance facility. This method is ideal to meet short-term cash emergencies. Those who use POS machines for daily transactions can get a loan against their debit and credit card sales. Business owners who get consistent card settlements can use this facility. I hope the video helped you handle your cash crunch. Thank you.